Hi, Scott and Julie with the Knowles Woolsey team. Welcome to our newest listing in the Manhattan development. This development is conveniently located close to all of your daily amenities, not to mention easy access to the Highway 400.
That's right. Not only is the location exceptional, but so is the lifestyle. Your snow shovel, snow blower, your lawnmower, and all your gardening tools, you can throw those out the window because the Manhattan development is maintenance-free living at its absolute finest. But not just that. Check out the green space. This is your very own Central Park. You're just a minute's walk over to the Bear Creek Eco Parks, plus the kids have their very own exclusive playground. They're gonna love this location.
Let's go and take a closer look at this rarely offered stacked townhouse model.
I mentioned the lifestyle of living in this community. Well, guess what? It starts before we even get inside. You got your very own parking space directly outside the front door. Not only that, I know this looks like a traditional townhome from the outside, but if you're an investor, a first-time home buyer, or a downsizer, you're gonna absolutely love this floor plan. As soon as you walk through the shared entryway, you're right into a self-contained 2-bedroom main floor unit with not a single step to get in or out.
Welcome inside. This suite boasts over 750 square feet of living space, though it feels far more spacious than that. With combined living and dining space and a galley-style kitchen, there's no sacrificing room for entertaining and relaxing.
As Julie mentioned, the space in this suite is incredibly well utilized. Just down the hallway here, we've got 2 spacious bedrooms, a 4-piece bath, in-suite laundry, plus sliding glass doors that offer a ton of natural light. Check this out. Now we know when you hear the word condo, you're thinking, oh, there goes my backyard. Where am I gonna barbecue? Where are my kids and pets supposed to play? Well, that's not the case with this stacked townhome. As soon as you walk through these glass sliding doors, you got your own exclusive use backyard. Whether you're looking to barbecue and enjoy a cocktail in the summertime or stand outside in a snowstorm in the wintertime, you're gonna love this space.
For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.